This video presents content from Chapter 5 of the book Sustainable Living and World Peace, from a section entitled Trouble with Downcycling. An example of a current challenge in our efforts towards sustainability is in the recovery, reprocessing, and recycling of plastics, such as what currently occurs with plastic water and soft drink bottles, most of which are made of polyethylene terephthalate, otherwise known as PET, PETE, or plastic number 1. Other types of plastics are numbered depending on their chemical composition from 1 through 7. Presently, in order to be able to make new plastic PET bottles from recycled plastic PET bottles, there needs to be a highly pure supply of this type of plastic, or creating new plastic PET bottles may not be possible. However, there is promising research on disassembly and recycling of PET plastic at the molecular level, which would overcome contamination problems. Today, however, for instance, even a small amount of polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, or plastic number 3 mixed in with recycled PET can greatly affect the quality of the recycled PET at the present time and reduce the chances of successfully creating a new plastic PET bottle. Currently, what often happens is that recycled plastics end up being mixed together and will wind up being used to make an object that cannot be used for the original purpose. This new mixed plastic will never be able to be used to make something of the same quality again, such as something of the quality of a plastic PET bottle. What we have done in this type of recycling is called downcycling, and this is something we want to avoid in our efforts to be completely sustainable. The mixed plastic will often be used to make such objects as park benches or traffic construction warning barrels. A lot of value has been lost in this recycling effort that resulted in downcycling, and the chance of recycling this plastic yet again has been greatly reduced. The downcycled plastic product may end up not being recyclable again and could end up in a landfill. In order to be considered completely sustainable, we must be able to make plastic bottles again and again, or at least make something as useful as its original purpose without degrading the material or the material's potential. If at all possible, rather than just avoiding downcycling, it would be even better to actually upcycle the material, which would mean the recycled material would end up serving a higher purpose than just straightforward recycling. But at least being able to recycle without downcycling or causing added toxicity to the environment should be a goal in accordance with our PAL sustainability aspirations.